Hey guys, so today I have here my JBL TUNE225tws wireless earbuds, and I am going to show you in this video how to pair these earbuds to an iPhone. So in case you're planning on pairing these to an Android phone, then I suggest you check out my other video here in the upper right corner where I'm going to show you how that is done. So the first thing we do in order to pair this with an iPhone is we're going to remove the right earbud. So at this point we just need the right earbud, so I'm going to pull this out after it's been charged for a while. And now we take a look here at this LED on the back side. So we're going to see this is going to blink in blue and white, blue and white. So before we proceed, it is really important that it does that. And in case this does not happen for you at this point, then I suggest you try the following. So on the right earbud you see this button here on the side, and we're going to press and hold that for more than 5 seconds. And what's going to happen is the earbud is going to shut down. You see the light is going to turn off. And after that we're going to press and hold it for more than 5 seconds again. And now the earbud powers back up and it's going to go into the Bluetooth pairing mode. And you should see the LEDs here blinking in blue and white. So now let's go and switch over to the iPhone. And we're going to enter the settings menu. And here we find Bluetooth. And then we can enable Bluetooth here on the right side. And now you already see here a couple of devices that I've previously paired to. And on the very bottom here you see JBL TUNE225tws. So I'm going to click on that, and now it's going to automatically pair to the earbuds. You can also see this here when you look at the earbud. Now this is not blinking in blue and white anymore. Now it's kind of pulsating just in blue and you. And at this point we can start playing our music and enjoy the new earbuds. And of course you can also take out the left earbud at this point, and it will automatically start working as soon as you take it out of the charging case. And now you may be wondering, do I have to go through this process every time I want to use these earbuds? And the answer to that is no. So when you're done with the earbuds, then you just put them back into the charging case, you close the lid, they're going to shut down. And now the next time you're going to try to use them, you just open up the lid, take out the earbud, and it's going to automatically connect back to your smartphone, back to your iPhone without you having to do anything. They're just going to work straight out of the box. And if you want to, you can also just use a single earbud if you want to, just the left one or just the right one. Yeah, so this is already it here. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any more questions or comments, please write a message below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.